Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And this week we are going to unbox some really cool stuff. I'm just going to show you to you what they are. And let's start one by one. So first one is this. So this is a Nissan Fairlady Z. So I bought this from Facebook. So I think somewhere around 700, 799 I guess. So these things are not available in India. So you need to ask someone to import it for you. And so and my personal one of my personal favorite brand, which is M2. So this one is the 1965 Ford Mustang Fastback, and here are these two. So this one I got from one of my friend from my group. He was selling this for I think 900 rupees. So I thought of having this for a long time, but I didn't get it. But luckily he was selling this, and he asked me whether I need this one or not. So I asked him, okay, fine, why not? So I personally want the Tomica's one, but since this is the one currently we are having, so I'm happy with it. I think this one is by Mattel, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, this one is by Mattel. So most of these things, the movie series or whatever they are doing, it is done by Mattel. And this one I bought from a local shop. Yes, I bought for 70% discount actually. So like this is 499, but I bought it I think for around like 200 or below that. I don't remember because I built a lot of things at that time. So, but the box is broken, but who cares about the box? Anyway, I'm going to unbox it. The car looks intact, so we're going to open this. And the last two, which is really awesome, to unbox, is this one. So this one is the Mitsubishi Lancer, and this one is from the Fast and the Furious movie series. So, and this is by Tomica, and this is from their Unlimited series. Oh yeah. So I was able to get my hands on this after a long time. So I need to thank Rian for this because he actually kept one for me even though I forgot to mention him. So this is a really cool one. And next one is everyone's favorite, the Toyota Supra. So this one is also from the Fast and Furious movie franchise, and this is also by Tomica and from their Unlimited series. So we are going to unbox all these things in this week, and there is one more comparison video I'm planning on doing, so which is kind of a surprise I'm keeping. So stay tuned for that as well. Stay tuned for all of this. So thanks guys, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.